At some point in the life of your security system, you may have to replace the batteries in your door contacts. The battery life of a door contact can vary based on a number of factors, such as high traffic areas and extreme temperature environments. Your door contact is equipped with a low battery technology that will send a low battery signal to your keypad to alert you before the battery gets too low. Be sure to contact us about putting your system on test before replacing your batteries. Your door contacts are made to remain closed tight, but are also simple to open when needed. Insert a small screwdriver into the notch on the back of the door contact and gently lift to remove the cover. Remove the old battery and replace it with a fresh one. Be sure to insert the battery in the correct orientation. Snap the lid back on the door contact and perform a sensor reset at your keypad in order to clear the low battery message. Once the sensor reset is complete, be sure to contact us about taking your system off test. Door contacts use 3-volt lithium batteries CR123, which can be purchased at any electronics retailer or directly from us. Be sure to recycle your used lithium batteries in accordance with your state and local guidelines. If you have any questions or problems with your system, feel free to give us a call.